Hi, this is Tuck with Tuck GC. Today we are in Fairfax, Virginia, looking at a concrete pour that we just finished up yesterday for a driveway, 2 walkways, a trash pad, and a shed pad. Now this was just poured yesterday and the weather's a little cooler, so that's why you see the color variations, but once this cures, like I've said in a lot of my videos, it'll all blend in really nice. Let's take a closer look. So the driveway here was extended to double wide from a single wide. It leads up to the house nice. Has all the proper control joints in it to reduce chances of cracking along the slab. You'll see leading to the rear, small little detail where the edge of the driveway there, where that control joint is, lines up with a 4-foot gap going up the left side of the house, and then that same 4-foot gap carries to the front, and then both walkways are 4 feet, so it gives it a nice look where it's all symmetrical and lines up very nice. Leading to the rear, we have the walkway going to the step we put in, and this is where there'll be a trash pad and a shed pad for future use for those purposes. You can see we did a nice walkway there from the front of the home, centered on the door, leading to the driveway. Now all throughout the house we put in a white triple wall pipe that's better than the black corrugated stuff, and tied in all the downspouts with piping underground, and then they all pop up in a green pop-up valve. Here's the one in the left rear corner of the house. Ties into this one, and then daylight's downhill with the pop-up there. Same thing in the right rear corner. Pop up there, getting the water away from the foundation, then it rolls downhill from here. And then the final pipe here in the front right corner, and the pop-up downgrade. And here's the walkway from the other side, leading back down the driveway. So thanks for watching the video, I appreciate it, and keep me in mind for any of your concrete, stone, drainage, structural, anything like that we do. We basically do anything on the outside of the house, including roofs, windows, siding, all that good stuff. So anything outside of your house, give us a call, we'd be happy to give you a bid. Thanks for watching, have a good day.